much for our country. I believe that he is the best president. Even if some people are against him, still he did not lose his faith. So for me, I can say that he is such a nice man. I believe that love and politics are the same, rather related. Because friends build relationships and love your own love for them. That is all. President Aquino, politics to be true for you. It's like peace, like it and fair for you. Love is in truth, through unity. Tells everyone a lesson. Tells a message. Politics is a hard thing, a hard position for everyone. And love, that's unexplainable. That is unconditional and love alone. For our total vote, we present you Christine and Selena. Here we are presentation about politics and love. It says here that politicians are the same all over. They promise to build a bridge even when there is no river by means of ocean. And about love, there is only one happiness in life, love and freedom by George Sand, free and disciple. And another one related to love, your worst behavior is reserved for the person who loves you the most. So somehow, no matter what you do, those persons will always accept you as you. And another one for politics, the one who loses the heart of the people, the one who gets the heart of the people gets the throne by many. That's all. We hope to have understand that and will apply to your daily life. Thank you. Thank you for listening and watching our show. We hope that you enjoy our show. But before we end up, let us watch the presentation of all the cast.
Naman.
I feel true colors shine. I see your true colors.